So today I am with Xiaomi 12X and I'm going to show you a couple camera tricks. At the first we are going to start from the hidden modes that we can find in the camera, and it will be for sure in the photo mode. So when you click and hold on the shutter, you can quickly record video to the 15 seconds, you can release and the video will be finished. You can also use the volume buttons up and down. When you select one of them, you will get 2 seconds shutter. You can tap on the screen and, for example, decrease or increase brightness level by moving this sun icon. To make it automatically, you have to tap on the screen once. And if you want to use the zoom feature, you can go for a ultra-wide lens for the 1x, 2x, and when you click another time, you will get more presets like 5x and 10x. You can also use this slider to smoothly zoom in and zoom out. You can make the same by pinching screen with your 2 fingers. Just like that. When you go for the settings, you can change the volume button function and also use them as the zoom. So you have to choose this option and then switch to the zoom. And take a look right now how it works. Press volume up and volume down to zoom out. As you can see, we can also switch lenses, so we can go from the ultra wide to the normal lens, just like that. When you click in this place, you can add few filters. As you can see, they change the color and the temperature. If you want to take photo, for example, with this one, just click on the shutter, and as you can see, there it is. The photo was taken. If you want to turn it off, just go here another time and go for the normal mode. Another feature that we can use in this smartphone, we can go for the more modes, where we can find, for example, the 50 megapixel mode. And this mode allows us to take photos with more quality, basically with more details. So take a look. We can focus, for example, on this phone keyboard. And right now I'm gonna take the same photo, but without this 50 megapixel mode. And let's go for the gallery and let's take how it looks. Let's take a look. So there it is. That's the photo with the normal mode. And right now let's switch to the 50 megapixel mode. As you can see right now, we can spot definitely more details and we can also zoom in much closer. For me, it's one of the best features that you can find in this camera application. You can also find right here few additional modes, like for example clone, movie effects, vlog, short video. To download them, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data and just click once, and after that it will be downloaded. We can go for the settings while we are in the photo mode, and we can also change the aspect ratio. So we can, for example, get like full screen as the camera preview, but you have to remember that when you change the aspect ratio, it also changes the quality of your photo. So the best is to stay always with the default one. It's the 3:4 or 9:6. And also when you are here, we can quickly add another delay to our shutter. So previously, as the default, it was set up to the 2 seconds when we press the volume up or down button. But right now we can choose 3, 5 or 10 seconds. Click on the shutter. And after this time, photo will be taken. Just like that. We can also go for the settings, where we can find tap to take photo, and take a look. You can just click on the screen, and the photo will be also taken. Okay, so honestly, that's all for this phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.